What up, people? Everybody say hi to Taj. Taj, say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, people. What's good?
All right, so we have a crazy idea. We're gonna go inside this bank, ask for like $50,000 all in once.
50,000.
Like 50,000 in once. All right.
Okay.
All right, let's do it. Let's go.
So, can I withdraw $50,000? Okay. Can I do that in singles? No? Okay. All right. So,
All right. So they kicked me out. They said no recording in there. Now I'm waiting for Lucky. I don't know if you guys heard what they said. Hopefully the audio picked it up. Oh, here he comes now. Yo, I got it. You got it? I got it. Okay. Here, give me back.
All right, let's. I don't want to be out here with all this, so let's get on a train and head back.
All right, let's go.
Hello? Hi, Happy New Year. I'm J. Lucky Henry. I'm a licensed real estate salesperson in Massachusetts. My team and I specialize in working with investor clients, especially first-time investors, and condo sales throughout the city. If you're like me, you get a lot of emails, right? 2019 was, oh, we'll make this concession, or you need to make this concession, or can I have this, can I have that? The market is crazy. It's not what it was a couple years ago, and if you're in real estate, you know this, especially if you're in Boston real estate. It's crazy over here. So this year, my team and I, we're gonna figure out a way to get through the noise, right? No more like, oh, we're just, why don't you just take this, or why don't you just take that? We have buyers that are looking for a multifamily, a 3-family to be specific, a triple decker, and they're willing to pay cash, 14-day close for a triple decker. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna give away, right? Well, I went to the bank and I took out a lot of money. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna give away to the first person that brings me a triple decker that my clients can buy. I'm going to give them $50. That's right. All right, I'm cutting through the noise. I took out all this money just to tell you I will give away 50 to the first broker or first person to send me a referral, send me something, send me a lead for a triple decker family that we can buy, and I will give you $50. Everybody's talking about, oh, I got a multifamily for sale, or I got a multifamily for sale. Yes, we're not looking for something that's already been renovated and already ready to be condoed out, or it's been rented and it's a cash cow and it's great. We're not looking for buy and hold. We're looking for something we can flip and turn into condos. My clients want something that needs work and are willing to pay top dollar for something that needs work. So bring me any triple decker. This is how we're gonna cut through the noise. Yes, there's a lot on MLS, right? We scour MLS, we've looked at those. We're looking for something not on MLS, something off market, triple decker that needs work, and we will pay you cold hard cash in 14 days and $50. To whoever brings me that lead. That's right, you heard it here, 50. That's how we're gonna cut through the noise in 2020. That's how my team and I are gonna make things different. So if you wanna make $50, just tell me you got a triple decker that someone's willing to sell that needs work, and my clients will come and pay it. 14 days later, they will have the money. So that's it. Honestly, this is kind of freaking me out. People keep walking by. I feel like they can see the money and someone's gonna come in here. So let's pack this all up. Let's bring it back to the bank probably, and yeah, let's get out of here. All right, let's go shoot the vlog. I gotta go. This is freaking me out.